What's up, everybody? Coming to you once again from Cloudy House Studio. I'm Gary, your host, and this is Whatleys World.
Kelly $4 keep going.
Made a grip out them falls, dog. Credits.
And lights.
Must be out of here.
And today, we have another product review for you. I think you're gonna like this one. We're adding another piece of equipment to the family, man. This is something nice, man. I don't really have any experience with these cameras, but hey, today we got the GoPro 10 Hero and a couple of accessories, so let's check it out. Yo, and real quick, before we get into the review, man, make sure you like, subscribe, and even share this video, man. If you have a comment, go ahead and drop that below. If you have any experience with any of the GoPros, all the way up to this 10 Hero, drop it in the comments, man. Let us know how you like it. What's your experience? All right, so we have it. Like I said, this is the brand new GoPro Hero 10, and we ended up getting a kit that comes along with it. The special bundle. Here's the pack right here. The GoPro 10 has a lot of new features, brand new processor, waterproof up to 33 feet. Also, being able to record 5K at 60 frames and 4K at 120 frames is gonna give us some crazy, wild, slow motion videos. This actually has Hyper Smooth 4.0. So that's the newest version of GoPro's Hyper Smooth technology, which is supposed to be the best stabilization on the market. So definitely looking forward to using this. There's some special accessories included in this bundle that I picked up. On the website, this bundle was about $3.99 just for the bundle. Just for this bundle. There are the added accessories that come along with it. There's a little stand, some clips, extra battery. Also a memory card came with this. Also, something that I want to try is the head strap. So I got the head strap and the quick clip. So I should be able just to clip it on to the head strap once I got the head strap secured. So like I said, we got the GoPro with a few gadgets and we're finna unbox them now and check them out. So first of all, let's check everything out. Head strap. Finally, the GoPro 10 special bundle. Yeah, pretty fresh, right? Let's see. First zip. Ta-da! Pretty attractive looking kit that we got here, if I do say so myself. Everything is in there. Got some stickers, manual. This is also the instructions. How to mount it onto a helmet, how to put the batteries in, and that's it for instructions as far as I can see. In this bottom compartment down here, okay. So this is the GoPro Tripod. Let's pull this off of here. Alright. Now these definitely come in super handy. You screw it on right there at the top with the adapter on the bottom of the GoPro. Right? Then you're able just to bust this open. And you got a stable tripod. It's pretty cool. Quick clamp. You gotta have a grip to squeeze this. It has a horseshoe. I'm guessing that is to say that it's magnetic. So I'll be able to smack the GoPro on this and then smack this attached to the GoPro on various different metallic objects. Dope. It came with 2 GoPro batteries. I heard that when you're recording at a high frame rates that the batteries drain quickly, so at least I got 2. These are all a bunch of different mounts. This is a shorter, it's one of the same thing but with a shorter neck. Look, here's a clamp with a sticker on it. these go through here to tighten once they're on. Awesome. And last but not least, the GoPro 10. So you see the mode button, the model 10, that new color they added, I guess. Front screen. On top, you see the power button. Trap door on this side. And that's the mount right there that you mount this onto the pieces. Cool. That was nice. I can't wait to give you guys a review of me actually getting an opportunity to use this. Now let's move on to the accessories. First one is the mod light. Books, the light, little baby LED light, and also the diffuser to go with it as well. Cool. Power button on top, and it slides right on top of the GoPro. It actually there is no place for it to slide on like that. On the bottom there is this part that, you know, allows it to clamp onto things, but then the light would be on the bottom. We're gonna look into this. The light also comes with this clamp. This clamp that would slide onto this, I'm guessing. Boom, right? Then you would put this, but it would hang like this from the bottom of the GoPro. Something like this, right? But I thought it wouldn't go on the top. I'm gonna keep looking into that because it means I wouldn't be able to have the light at the same time as the stick. Lastly, the head strap. I got this because I want to do point of view. This, another quick clamp, and this is the headpiece. Gnarly. Gnarly. Wow. So we shall see. I was told that the light works with this, but I can't wait to give you guys a review of how it went trying this on. So we had the GoPro 10, the accessory package, the light, and the head strap. Looking forward to trying these on. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of those. And I will be giving you guys an update of the experience trying GoPro for the first time. It's Arizona and summertime is here, so let's go ahead and get it cracking off with some new adventure type stuff. Hope you come back to see more reviews. I got a new tripod. Why would you need a tripod? Well, you might be surprised of how handy they are when you just want to sit still and record, and have something that you can raise the height with, and you don't have to put boxes and books together to get the right height and to get the right angle. That alone was worth it for me. But anyways, be looking forward to more things coming, more videos from the channel, reviews, reactions, podcasts, all that. Be looking forward to the music, Whatleys World, everything, man. Make sure you Google your boy. Always, much love, appreciate you. Never be normal. I'm out.
Hannah.
Kelly $4, keep going.
Made her grip off them falls, dog. Credits.
And lights.
Must be out of your mind. Nigga never went in blind. Better put it all on the line.